Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, wonderful people. I just want to give a big shout out to all our subscribers, both the new and the existing subscribers. We really appreciate you guys, man. Today's gonna be like how the gates were fabricated. It's just gonna be A to Z of how the welder fabricated the gate. We decided to go for a different style of gate, even though it's gonna be a motorized gate, but we never wanted to go for the traditional rectangular shaped gate. So we wanted to look like fuse the arc type gate and the rectangular gate. We're going to fuse them together, and we've not seen this kind of gate done before, and this welder too hasn't done this gate before, so this is his first time of doing this kind of gate. So guys, let's see how this arc type gate, motorized gate, was done by this welder, and let me know what you feel about how he went about fabricating this gate. All right, guys, let's get right into the video. So you finished sanding this one? You haven't sanded it at all? What about the other smaller ones over there? They're all done. These are the ones that will be in between the pillars of the fence on the outside, and this is the pedestrian gate, and this is the biggest one out of all the gates. It's the biggest. And there's another one in between the pillars of the fence in the front. So he's finished sanding the back of this one. There's a huge one. You have two different gates and one pedestrian gate. So this is it. He's going to paint all the designs gold, and the gate will be black. Half of the initial is showing on the pedestrian gate. It's like half of the main gate itself, so got to make it halfway. So, and that's going to be the head going to be gold. The flowers are going to be gold. This bar right here will be this rectangular, whatever it is, call it, will be gold, but the back will be black and the rest will be black. So let's go back and see the one he's working on. That's also the middle of the fence. This handle here, are you going to cover it with black plastic, or it's going to be the handle? Okay. Yeah.
No.
Don't forget, when you are going to paint it, let me know. I have to be here.
This is the painter, the sprayer.
Okay.
Make design correct.
Okay.
Yeah, listen. Make the design
So he's the one that's going to spray, right?
Yeah.
So before you spray, I need to be here. Does he understand what I said?
Okay. Yeah, you understand.
He understands. Okay. This one is a little bit smaller than the other one. This is the second gate. Bright. Apart from sanding, what else does this thing do? What's the work? Apart from you sanding to make it smooth, what other things does it do?
Which one? The sand power?
No, yeah.
Now we use to cover the base that we want.
I know. So apart from that, it doesn't do anything.
No.
It doesn't prevent rust or something.
No.
Just to smoothen the jagged edges.
So that you won't see the base that we want.
Okay. Now it's going to be smooth when it's painted. It's going to be smooth when it's painted.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we've come to the end of this short clip about how the gates were fabricated by the welder. Like I said, this is our first time of, fusing a traditional arc type gate with a modern rectangular gate. So we're gonna see how this comes out at the end of the day, man. Guys, if you really think, you like this video, kind of give us that usual fat thumbs up, share the video with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and also smash the notification bell so that you can get notified when we post subsequent videos. And give us your comment section, guys. Alright guys, I'll talk to you in the next video. Peace.